Oh, I've seen it all now. This is unbelievable. I don't understand what's going on. This is where I live, and this has been going on all night. All I've heard is the sound of this. I've heard this all night long. What is going on? What are we doing? Oh, I gotta see this. I gotta freaking see this now. This is what I've been hearing all night. What is this? This is right before Thanksgiving. We've got a hot mix out. Stinks like crap. These guys obviously think it's funny. I'm pretty sure I'm going to start texting some politicians, starting with our illustrious mayor. I wonder if he would like for them to do this out in front of his house around the holidays. Oh, look. The boys have even taken over the second pack. Unbelievable. 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 What the heck? What's going on? Let's get some more action. Just granted, this has been going on all night long. When did we start doing, I find this harassment now. Not only have we taken the Laura's property, but now the only time I've ever seen road construction at night, it's in front of the Laura's house. This is unbelievable to me. You guys think it's funny. This is the level of money you're spending